So what's up, guys? So I just spotted this really cool truck camper setup. This is a Lance 1172 on an F-450 chassis, 4x4. It's got a side slide out. It also has a rear slide out with a side entry. 1172 side entry. It's got the Torklift system going on for towing, and this is a really neat setup. It's on a real heavy duty F-450 truck. See, it's got some pinstriping going on there. But anyways, I just thought I would show you guys this. This is a really nice truck camper. Doesn't appear to have airbags. Oh, he has stable loads. He's got the Torklift stable loads, upper and lower Torklift stable loads, and that's interesting. It's like he's running one, maybe two leafs on there. King Ranch.